fake one. Jaquan, do you how much passion do you have for the Bearcats these days?
A lot, yeah.
Great amount of passion. That's good passion.
Great amount, yeah.
Great amount of passion. Are you? How many points do you think the Bearcats are going to score tomorrow in the first 30 seconds of the game?
About 10, yeah.
10 points. 10 points. That's on pace for like 2 million points in a game. You believe they will score 2 million points?
No, sir.
Obviously, I know they're a good team and a good program over the last couple of years, and so I knew it was going to be a tough game.
See if we can get a sneak peek of what he's going to put out there.